Hi, I'm Sayojita. Today I'm making Vegan Palak Paneer. The name is an oxymoron. However, I think it is the most apt and descriptive because this is what it is, a vegan adaptation of the ever popular Palak Paneer. Much like its original counterpart, this dish is delicately seasoned. Check out my Palak Paneer video. It uses raw spinach instead of spinach paste. Let's get cracking. Heat the kadai and add the oil. I've used mustard oil, which is the traditional oil used in North India. However, it does have a strong flavor, so you can add any other oil you like. I would not recommend coconut oil because its strong flavor could be quite jarring to the rest of the dish. Mustard oil is usually heated up to smoking point. Most other oils should not be that hot. I've diced the tofu in the meanwhile, about 1/2 to 3/4 inch cubes. The oil is smoking. Add the finely chopped onion. Fry until brown and completely cooked. I'm adding a little salt to hasten this process. Here I'm tempering the onions in the oil. They are used more as a flavoring than a gravy base, hence the smaller quantity. Add the garlic and green chilies. Toss until the onion is cooked. The garlic and green chilies will also be done by this time. The onion is nicely fried. I'm going to take out a little bit for garnish later. The tofu now. Then the salt, cumin powder and turmeric. The turmeric is optional. However, I prefer adding it to this version because tofu is quite mild. Toss for a couple of minutes to allow the tofu to absorb all the flavors. There, it's nicely done. Now we can add the spinach paste. Since the spinach is already cooked, this recipe takes less time than the other version. I've added 1.5 cups of paste. As an alternative to the paste, you can use raw spinach pureed with green chilies and a little water. The garlic, however, must be fried in the oil as shown earlier. This method will take longer to prepare. Add some more cumin powder and the garam masala. Tofu is spongier than the paneer and so absorbs all the moisture from the spinach. Add the cashew paste now. It is used to give a creamy texture to the gravy and to mellow down the slight bitterness of the spinach. Thin down the gravy with almond milk or any other vegan milk. You can also use water since the cashew paste already has some almond milk in it. Let it come to a boil. Lower the heat and simmer for a couple of minutes to allow all the flavors to blend and be absorbed by the tofu. Cover the kadai if you like. Taste and adjust the seasoning. I need a little more salt. And some more almond milk. This gravy will not be runny and separate because the cashew paste is a good thickener and binder. I use roasted chickpea flour or besan in my original Palak Paneer recipe. Don't forget to sprinkle these reserved onions before serving. All done. In 13 minutes, that's all. I'm going to serve vegan Palak Paneer with Bengali chana dal, folded chapati and a mixed kachumbar or salad. All vegan. That's all for today. Check out my vegan paneer butter masala video right here. I'm leaving you with a few glimpses of my upcoming videos. Do like and share this video with your friends so that I can continue to provide you with more such content. Your comments and feedback are most welcome. Until next week, thank you for watching.